everyone, this is Siyara
and seyara.
Today we are going to make ash plantain crispy fingers.
This is a yummy snack.
You will need ash plantains, flour, breadcrumbs, salt, turmeric and black pepper. Don't forget oil. Now we are going to make the batter.
First, put some flour in your bowl. Just have some down this side.
Now put 1 teaspoon of salt. Then put a pinch of turmeric.
Put a little bit of black pepper.
Now put little by little of water and mix it. Then you will get the batter like this.
So we put more flour because we accidentally put too much of water. So keep on mixing. Dissolve these lumps.
Peel your ash plantain and cut them. After you are finished cutting your ash plantain, dip them in the batter. And put it into the breadcrumbs. Use the other hand and cover this very well. Like this.
This is so much fun.
Wow.
You should try this, everybody. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Don't forget to dip it.
Ta-da! It's like a real finger. I made it super finger. So I just wash my hands for a minute.
Okay, I dip some in.
Yep, I'm going to take one. Ah!
You can see all of the kettle is shouting.
How can a kettle shout?
Okay, get one out.
I have to make this.
Cut it.
Like a finger.
Finger.
Yeah, a finger. That's why we are calling. Because it's like a finger. I'm telling a finger. Because it's part of a name. Just one's name.
Not bad.
So, ta-da!
There's a lot more in this.
It's like mini shawls, guys.
Oh, a big one.
Is there more? Oh no, my hand.
It's messy cooking.
Not much messy like painting. It's so much fun.
We have finished the ash plantain chips. We just need to fry them.
A lot of bubbles.
It's very important you get help.
Oh, look at this. Seems yummy.
Yeah, it looks so good. Can't wait to eat them. This.
Bon appetit. Look at this.
It's all ready. Time for taste testing. Let's try it out. It's so crunchy. It's so yummy. So good. So good. So good. Yeah. It's so much tasty. So thank you for watching this video.
Bye.
See you again in another video. Bye.